Building a landing page on Squarespace is a great way to capture leads or promote a specific event or offer. Here's how to create one effectively. Log into Squarespace. Sign into your Squarespace account or create one if you haven't already. Choose a template. Select a template that aligns with your brand and is suitable for a landing page. Browse the options and choose one that emphasizes visuals and calls to action. Create a new page. In the Pages menu, click the plus icon and choose Blank Page to start fresh. Name your landing page appropriately. Add sections. Use the Edit button to add content blocks. Include sections for a compelling headline, engaging visuals, and persuasive copy. Incorporate a brief description of your offer or event. Include a call to action. Add a button or form to encourage visitors to take action, such as signing up or making a purchase. Use clear, actionable text like "Get started" or "Sign up now." Customize design elements. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout in the design section to ensure brand consistency and visual appeal. Optimize for SEO. Fill in SEO settings under the Settings menu, ensuring your page ranks well in search engines. Publish your landing page. Once satisfied, click Save and then Publish to make your landing page live. Share the link through social media and email marketing to drive traffic.